people, welcome back to my space on the internet. It is your girl Izine, but of course you can call me Sugar. Okay, we are simply Shuga. Make sure to hit the subscribe button below to be a part of this beautiful family, and of course please share out this video, give this video a thumbs up, and of course leave your comment in the comment section below. I'll be waiting to interact with you. Now in today's video we are going to be reviewing and talking about the KBrothers soap. Yes, guys, first of all, okay, I used to be skeptical about this particular soap, not because it was a bad soap per se, because actually I have used it before, I have tried it before, and I wouldn't mind using it again. In fact, I also have my eyes on it sometime soon, okay? But because, you know, when you look at the packaging, it looks like this thing is one of all those kind of soaps they make in the backyard or something. But no, my darling, KBrothers soap is not those kind of soaps you make in the backyard, okay? And another issue I used to have with the soap back then was the fact that it was limited to people who were fair in complexion, or people who were dark, who are looking to, you know, become white or become fairer than they normally or ordinarily are, okay, you guys? But all of that has been sorted out, and I'm going to be explaining all those juicy details in this video, okay, you guys? Now, the very first thing you need to know about this particular soap, first of all, it is actually produced in Thailand. Yes, despite the fact that it is written KBrothers USA, the company, the factory is actually located in Thailand by a company called J&K International Company Limited, and they're actually distributed in Nigeria by Amaco Limited. Okay, so if you've been listening to a lot of adverts on radio, even from old time past, you always hear of, you know, the company or the brand called Amaco Limited International. Okay, yes, those are the brands responsible for distributing KBrothers in Nigeria. Now, one very beautiful thing, okay, that this soap has begun to cater for is that it doesn't just cater for fair skin alone. Initially, KBrothers used to be, you know, known for people who want to be fair in complexion, or people who are fair in complexion, like I said earlier. But right now, they now cater for people who are dark in complexion. Yay! Clap for them, clap for them. That's beautiful. I mean, any company, any brand that looks out not just for a specific set of people in the society, but can look out for their counterpart as well, is amazing, and is one brand that we all want to identify with. And trust me, I have not seen a very terrible review or terrible feedback about this particular soap, okay? And now wait, I'm beginning to talk too much. Let me just tell you what it is. Just as you have the KBrothers carrot soap and papaya soap that is meant for people who are fair in complexion, there is now the KBrothers black soap for people who are dark in complexion. Now, I'm not saying it's going to make you darker, but the aim of every KBrothers soap is to make you even out your skin tone, to make you look younger, fresher, and make your skin look smoother, okay? And that is exactly what the KBrothers black soap is going to do for you. So if you're trying or looking out to go for the KBrothers soap and you know you are dark in complexion, please, my sweetheart, go for the KBrothers black soap. But if you're fair in complexion, or you're actually dark in complexion and you really want to lighten out your skin tone, then you might just want to go ahead and get the KBrothers carrot soap, okay? But if you're looking to not, you know, particularly whiten your skin or become, you know, way shades lighter than you are, then you should settle for the papaya soap, okay? The KBrothers papaya soap, which is less as effective as the carrot soap that will probably whiten you, okay, in days. And that brings me to the saying or the fact that KBrothers soap is a bleaching soap. Yes, especially the carrot extract variant and the papaya extract. It is a bleaching soap. Now, why am I saying this? If you are not new to this channel, then this is not new to you. But if you're new to this channel, then you probably need to go back to that video where I talked about how to reverse skin bleaching, how to reverse, you know, skin damage, okay, from the sun and hyperpigmentation and all of that good stuff, okay? We have a video dedicated to that, and in that video I shared how you can know your original skin tone and what to do if you need to restore your skin tone or go shades lighter than your skin tone. And I also explained in detail in that video what skin bleaching is, what under bleaching is, what over bleaching is, which of these are you doing, or if you're bleaching in the right way that you should in order not to damage your skin, and what to do if you over bleach or if you've under bleach. That video is loaded, so you need to go and check out that video. Now, for those of you who have already seen that video in previous times, you know, and I'm putting it out again, that any soap that tampers with your melanin, your original melanin composition, the original melanocyte composition of your skin, to make you lighter than you originally are. See, even if it is a half shade lighter, it has lightened your skin. Now, this happens not just when you use chemical products or chemical extracts, even when you use natural organic extract like carrot in the case of KBrothers soap and papaya in the case of KBrothers soap. These are active bleaching ingredients that are in the KBrothers soap. And to think that they also don't just contain the carrot extract, they also contain carrot oil, and they also contain papaya oil for the papaya brand or the papaya variant. So it is a bleaching soap. The only difference is that in as much as it's going to work fast to, lighten your skin or brighten your skin, but the degree of damage that it might be doing to your skin or lightening your skin is a bit, is not, as high as what it is in other normal, bleaching creams, especially the ones that contain hydroquinone. And that is the only very beautiful thing about this particular soap as well, since it already contains, carrot extract soap, and it is not looking to make you white like albino or afin, those ones that used to enter the eye. Since it's not look setting out to make you look like that, there is no need to put hydroquinone. I also explained this in another video I made, I think, about the Glossa White lotion. Okay, so you need to also go and check out that review. See, let me tell you guys, not because you're not using a particular soap that I review on this channel, not because you do not intend to use them, or because you know who somebody that is using them that you feel you can get this information from me and and share it with them, but because there are always tons of information. Okay, there are always tons of information and tips that are always shared in every of these single videos. So whether it is a soap you've used before, a cream you've used before, the ones you've not used before, or you've not even heard of before, please, my darling, watch it. Watch it, because you're gonna be missing informations in those videos if you are gonna try to miss any single one of them. Okay, let's get back to the video. Oh, Jesus, you guys, the sun is crazy. Like, look at the reflection of the sun from here and here. Okay, we're just going to manage this thing like this. Okay, now that all of that is out of the way, what exactly does the KBrothers soap do, you guys? This soap has been known and is one, and I can literally tell you word for word that it is one of the best soap that is going to take care of your dark spot. No matter how stubborn that dark spot is, this particular soap is going to take care of it and even out your skin tone. If you get the original, of course, in another video or in a follow-up video, I'm going to be sharing with you the different ways that you can identify the original KBrothers carrot soap, papaya soap, sorry, and then the black soap as well. But you must know that this soap is going to clear out every stubborn dark spot that you have. Is it going to take care of hyperpigmentation? To a reasonable extent, it is going to do that. But if you have dark spots, okay, or sunburn, pimples, it's going to take care of your pimples. You guys see, I'm going to try to get a picture of the time when I was using this KBrothers soap, even if I was also using a cream called the Phyto Natural cream. Okay, but I'm going to get a picture of when I was using this soap, okay, morning and night. I'm going to show you what I look like, and then you can compare it to what I look like right here, right now that you're seeing me. Okay, I literally became white. Now, you guys, I know that I am not dark, like black in complexion, or outrightly fair in complexion, but my goodness, like, and the color or the complexion that this thing gave me was so sweet, so beautiful, that people got used to it as my natural skin tone. Like, it started with evening out my natural skin tone, and then the more I kept using it day and night, especially, the more it continued to lighten and just smoothen and soften. My skin was looking like a baby girl skin. Oh my god, it was so plump and delicious, and it was taking care of my acne, literally. Okay, once it is done, okay, after the first 2-3 days, okay, when the acne or the hormonal acne have to come out, they've disappeared. So I can swear by it. Okay, and a lot of other people swear by it. If you've used this soap before, let me know in the comment section what you think, what your experience was like. Okay, did it work for you? Did you experience any side effects? Which of course I'm going to be sharing towards the end of this video, because I've heard so many people say that it doesn't have any side effects, it doesn't have any side effects, it doesn't have any. How am I gonna share it with you? Okay, just the end of this video, so stay tuned. Now, you guys, you can also use this particular soap on your face. Yes, and that is so amazing, that is so beautiful. Okay, you guys, I mean, I already shared with you my experience of how it made me look, the feel, and everything. You can use this soap on your face. It works perfectly. And you know the funniest part, it is suitable for all skin types. So whether the skin on your face or your body is oily, texturized, combination skin, whatever your skin type is gonna take care of it. Okay, KBrothers is just amazing, it's just beautiful. Now, here is how you can use it on your face. I would have liked to make a physical demonstration, but I don't actually have the soap here. So maybe sometimes when all these brands, okay, when we get to that stage when they're gonna be sponsoring us, we're gonna be doing a lot of live reviews and all of that, okay, for you guys, which is also going to come out even more authentic than what we're currently doing. Okay, so I cannot do a live review for you at the moment, but what you must know is that if you need to use the KBrothers soap on your face, please do not apply immediately directly on your face, because this soap is actually an exfoliating soap. It contains coconut oil and the pieces of coconut oil, okay, that is in the soap, sorry. When you use it directly on your face, you could be hurting your face and causing damage to your face even more than you'd expect. So as is advisable for every other soap that you're going to be using on your face, no matter how mild or how harsh that soap is, please, the first thing you want to do is wet your hands, wet the soap, then rub your wet hand against the soap together so that it lathers very well. This particular soap, the KBrothers soap, be it the carrot soap or the papaya soap or the black soap, always lather it in a creamy way. Okay, it has this cream colored lather. When you wash it out, when you lather it out, sorry, when you lather it, you take that lather that is on your hand and wash your face. Wash your face properly. Wash your face, wash your neck. Remember that anything you do to your face, you have to do to your neck. We already said that in the previous video that you need to catch up on if you have not watched. So wash your face properly, leave it on for at least 5 minutes. Okay, if you're in a hurry, 2 to 3 minutes, since you're going to be doing it at night as well. And then after that 5 minutes, you wash it off, okay, with clean water. Okay, whether warm, lukewarm water or cold water, whichever you're using to take your bath, wash it off your face and you're good to go. You're going to get result from this soap if you use it consistently morning and night. Okay, within the first 1 week, you're going to begin to notice changes, whether it's to clear out your acne or pimples, whether it is to eliminate stubborn dark spots. You're going to begin to notice visible changes. So one thing I will always advise you guys is this: whenever you're trying out a new soap or a new cream or a new product that you need to use on your hair, on your face, on your body, take a picture of what you look like or what that part of your body looks like just before you start to use that particular product. And then when you start using it, within the first 3 days, take another pictures, and maybe take another set of pictures within the next 7 days or the next 2 weeks. Take another set of pictures. That way you're able to monitor the progress on your skin even before people start complimenting you or telling you, oh, your skin is this, oh, your skin is that. Okay, even before you start getting all those compliments, you can actually monitor your progress from home. Yeah, you guys, this soap, please don't use it on children. I've actually seen someone who was using it on their kid, and I've come to that stage in my life where if you do not ask for advice, I am not going to give it to you. If you do not come to me personally, one-on-one, send me a DM to ask for advice, I'm not going to say anything. I'm just going to keep quiet. Okay, except of course you're a very close friend or someone I'm very closely knitted with and I understand your person and I know I can always talk to you or tell you something or make suggestions or contributions around your life or things that pertain to you. But on no condition should you use KBrothers, whether the black soap or the papaya extract or the carrot extract, on a child. It is a soap meant for grown-ups. Do not do that. And of course, you guys, this particular soap smells really nice, so you are not going to regret using it. Now, are there side effects to this soap or the downsides? I would like to call them not side effects, but downsides to this particular soap. And first of all is that this soap melts very quickly. Yes, I mean, if you use it morning and night every day for the next 1 week, for the next 2 weeks, before the end of the 14 days, it's possible that this soap would have been exhausted. Okay, especially if you're someone who likes to lather your sponge a lot before you use it on your body, like me sometimes. Okay, so it is not going to last as much. So it is always advisable, especially if you're starting out to use this soap, that you get at least two copies of this particular soap when you want to start using them, and then before you run out of them, you replace them immediately. Okay, so yes, this soap melts very quickly. Another downside to this particular soap is the fact that, you guys, once you begin to use it, you are going to have to continue using it to maintain your skin tone. And this actually generally applies to all bleaching creams, to all whitening creams, okay, or lotions or soaps. Okay, once you start using them, you cannot go back, except you want to intentionally go back to your original complexion, like we talked about in the video where I shared on how to reverse skin bleaching. If you're not doing that, then my darling, you have to continue using it to maintain that skin tone, because if you let your skin sit, maybe you assume that you've gotten what you wanted, after the first 1 month or 2 months, and you decide to put it away without even, probably not even if you don't use it again, I mean replacing it with another lightening soap, okay, or brightening soap or whitening soap. You just have to keep investing and reinvesting, and now you see why the lightening and brightening cream and the cosmetic industry is cashing out a lot, because once you start, you cannot go back, my darling. You have to continue using them over and over again. Even if the brand you are using goes out of stock, is not in the market, you have to look for something similar, because you cannot afford to go back to what you were in the past. No, all things are passed away, my darling, and all things have become new. Okay, so you have become new. Now, before I bring this video to a close, I'm going to share one final downside of the KBrothers soap with you, and that is the fact that, my darlings, if you have already existing breakout or acne when you begin to use this soap, you have to be very careful, else it is going to bruise or hurt your skin. Okay, it will make your pimple worse, because remember I said it is exfoliating because of the crunches or breaks of coconut that is on it, and the coconut oil and serves as an exfoliant. So and that is also why you cannot use the soap directly to your face. So that is just a downside. Any day you forget and you go and use it directly on your face and there's a breakout on your face, my darling, it's gonna hurt. it's going to bruise your acne, and what that leads to is another set of dark spots. So you begin to assume or imagine that the soap is giving you dark spots, okay, instead of taking them away, which is not the case. That is the only downside to this soap. So the only thing that you need to take note of when you're using this soap is that it is going to brighten or lighten your skin very mildly, and it is going to even out your skin tone. It is going to do all those beautiful and amazing things for you, okay? So look out for that, because you are going to get the best when it comes to this particular soap, you guys. But very importantly, okay, you guys, before I bring this video to a close again, if you are using this soap, like I will always say in most of my other videos, make sure you invest in moisturizers. Now when I say moisturizers, I mean good moisturizers that will keep your skin hydrated, because whether you like it or not, you are washing impurities, you are washing things off your skin, okay? So there is every possibility that you'll be tampering with the pH level of your skin. You're going to be tampering with the water retention rate of your skin. So what you want to do is to lock in extra moisture to your skin and to keep your skin hydrated regardless, okay, you guys? So please make sure you moisturize. Invest heavily in moisturizers. Even if you don't want to rub cream, you don't want to take your bath with soap, you want to be using canoe soap, green soap, this soap, toilet bath soaps that they use to wash clothes, if that is what you want to use to bath, no problem. But make sure that you have moisturizers. By all means, you should never go out of stock on moisturizers, okay? Whether you're using creams or oils like argan oil, abutin oil, or coconut oil, whichever oil you're using, but just make sure that you're moisturizing your skin regardless of your skin type or your skin tone. And that brings me to the end of this video, you guys. Thank you for watching this video till the end. If you found it helpful in any way, if you found the tips I shared in this video helpful in any way, please leave a comment in the comment section below. Give this video a thumbs up, of course. Hit the subscribe button if you haven't, and I will see you in my very next video. Ciao.